Hey guys, it's US Storms and Sirens. Today we're getting some 30 mile per hour wind gusts in Frisco right now. There's also a bad storm coming tonight at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, so let's see what actually happens here. We're just getting some 30 mile per hour wind gusts. My bald cypress was swishing pretty loud earlier. Yeah, it's just a windy day today. Let's see if we can get a swishing noise out of the cypress. I doubt it's gonna happen, but we'll see. I don't think it's gonna happen. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna. I can hear it, but you guys probably can't. There goes the wind again. Yeah, we're just getting some strong wind gusts today. Man, it's getting windy. Here's my bald cypress. Yeah, it's getting more windy, you guys. Sorry, I'm not talking as much. I'm just worried about something. I don't know what. I'm not going to tell you guys because it's private. Yeah, it's just a relatively windy day. Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, it's not too bad right now. Oh, I take that back. There goes the wind again. Oh my gosh. Now, these are like 35-mile-per-hour wind gusts, but they're actually 30. They look like 35, but they're actually 30. Man, these winds are strong today. Yeah, these are like 35-mile-an-hour gusts. Well, they're actually 30, but they look like 35, but they're actually 30. All right, guys, I'm going to go to the backyard, so I'll see y'all in a moment. We're here in the back. Here we are in the back. It's not too bad back here, but it's still very windy back here. Here's my dead tree. It lost all of its leaves. I need to do an update video on this. Was that a bang I heard? What the heck was that? Hey, Harriet. Oh, she's taking a crap. The box got busted up. Yeah, these clouds are moving very fast right now. Oh, I hear stuff out in the front. Oh, look at my tree. Look at my tree. Wow. This is nuts. Probably can't see my tree blow, but it's blowing. I'm gonna go to the back door. I'll let the dog in. Oh, look at my tree. Yeah, there's not much happening right now. Just wind and clouds. It's been like this all day so far. I have no idea what time it is, but I'll look in a second. Let's see what time it is. It's 4:32 actually. It looks like 3 o'clock, but it's actually 4:32. Look at those crepe myrtles. Also, my pop-top was talking about, he has a bunch of saplings in his yard. And he said that he could actually plant one in my backyard, and guess what those saplings are? Those saplings are southern live oaks. So I get to have a southern live oak in my backyard. So, in about, I would say, 4 years, it will be this tall. It would be tall as I would say it would be tall as my dead tree. Wait, it's a sapling right now. Pretend it's a sapling. Oh, there goes the wind again. So it's a sapling, right? And then it grows. By the time it reaches the height of my dead tree, it will probably be about 3 years. So live oaks are kind of slow growers, but it's not bad. They grow kind of quickly and kind of slowly. And also I was talking about putting a little metal thing around it. But I don't want a southern live oak. I want like an oak tree or a cypress or a crepe myrtle. I would prefer a crepe myrtle. Cause it's, you know what? I would actually prefer a Chinese elm. I would love having that in the backyard. But I don't know where to get it from or how to plant it. Plus they're too expensive at gardens. Yeah, it's still windy here. My head's kind of hurting right now. Actually, my right eye. My dead tree should be pushable. Pushable in about a couple. Someone's honking. Someone was literally honking. So here's my tree, as you can see. It lost all of its leaves now. And still dying. There goes the wind on that mulberry. I'm just gonna sit over here real quick. Let's see what this wind does. Well, guys, I think that is going to conclude today's video. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe. And I will see y'all when the storm gets here in about 4 or 5 hours. So thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.